Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. So, I've been here trying to record this for the last hour or so. The laptop, I had to change the laptop because I didn't have the right files in there. And when I came to code in this, I didn't have the right files for this car. I haven't done an E60 for quite a long time. So I had to be loading all the database and all that stuff, SP data and files and, well, you name it. Anyway, I'm now ready to go. So, what we're going to be doing here, this is the first coding I'm going to do on this car. And what I want to code is the following. The first thing I'm going to do is coding the acoustic acknowledgement when you lock or unlock the car. So, I believe in the US this comes already pre-coded, it comes already enabled, and the UK it doesn't. And what it is basically when you lock or unlock the car, I believe when you lock the car, the lights, the hazard lights blink once. When you unlock, they blink twice, or the opposite way. What you can do as well is having a sort of a beep at the same time as the lights blink. So just to sort of let you know that the car is actually locking or unlocking. Another thing that we're going to do on top of that is put a new menu in there, which I believe will come somewhere. Let me think. I think it comes somewhere here. Let me see. Door locks, I'm sure is here. Okay, yeah, it's here, I think. So right now here, as you can see, you have lock button, convenience, last hit position, relock if no door opens, and lock after moving off. On top of this, we are going to have a few more. Oh no, sorry, it's under confirmation. So sorry, it's under confirmation. So under confirmation, as you can see, it says visual signal for locking and unlocking. And we're going to have another two selections for the acoustic. But let's gonna do one thing at a time. First, we need to enable the acoustic. Actually, we can do everything at the same time. And then enable that new menu. So let's go. Everything is set up. Make sure you have everything set up. I'm going to be doing this using D cable, 20 quid on eBay or so, and then a lot of Google research and downloading a lot of stuff if the cable doesn't come with it. I could try this with the Maxi Cs. I believe the Maxi Cs can do all this, but obviously not everybody will be able to have the Maxi Cs. More people will be able to afford one of these cables, and you can easily do this. I've done this already on an F series using ECs, not NCS Expert, obviously. So we opened NCS Expert. We're going to load the profile. I'm going to use the man file, so we're going to use a manual manipulation. We select the chassis. So this is a E60. Press OK. And now we're going to do that. F3. We'll take this from the cast. Doesn't really matter where to take it from. It's going to read my VIN number and my VO or FA. Vehicle order. Now we'll go back. Okay, and now I don't want to process the whole car. I only want to process one module. This is going to be on CCAP applications, so it's going to be in there. That's where this coding is done. Press OK. We're going to change the job, and I want to do that one in there, which basically is in German, but basically is to read what is on my the coding that is on my module CC apps CAPPL. Press OK. We'll do read ECU. Is read ECU? I think it's read ECU. I'm sure it is. Coding active. Okay, so this is my netto dat. I don't need this. All I need now is to come here. We're going to, where we're going to? No, it's there. Gonna come back. We're gonna go to work, and we have a file here that is a man file. So this is my manual file, and in here should be no, we shouldn't. Sorry, my TRC file is gonna have select a program from the list. Yes, so in here is gonna have all my coding, the coding that had just been read from my module. So if I come down here, I don't remember all this from the top of my head, but I believe the first one we want to change is the one that says, so if you look on my left hand side, is the one that's gonna say something like that's gonna come down. Should say acoustic. There is, that's the one. We'll change this to active, and now we need to search for more coding to enable the buttons in the buttons in there. Can't remember from the top of my head, so I have a list here of what I need to enable, which is right here. Where do I have that stored? Let's come down and let's gonna search for, there it is. Okay, so acoustic we already did. Now we're gonna look for C941C, which was right at the top of the list, I think. Oh crap, 5% battery. Gonna run out of battery. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is change all that. Okay, from, well, to what it says in there to that. Okay. Most likely I'm not gonna have battery, but I've changed all three. Okay, and now we're gonna save this as my dot man. Okay, that should say is ready. If I want to replace it, yes I want. Okay, now close this. And now I should be able to come here, change the job to SG accordion, press OK, execute job, and that's going to write my coding into the module. Coding active. Let's let them to finish. Straight away my new menus are in there, as you can see. But once this is finished, it should reboot the CCC. Oh, this is not good. Coding is faulty. Okay, let's change the job. Okay guys, I don't know why it failed, but don't know why it failed guys, but the coding is done. The battery should be nearly dying. So guys, I really hope there's some information here you guys are going to find it useful. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them below, and like always, thanks for watching.